the flowers of the field, and you bless the birds of the air. You bless me from my soul and my feet, Lord, to everything weeny beanie strand on me here. You sort out my life, you make it level like the clean affair. And from me give you my life, me say King Arthur me gone clear. Because you are Jehovah Jireh, you are my provider. You are Jehovah Jireh, you are my provider. I say you are Jehovah Jireh, you are my provider. Lord, you provide for me. Oh, Jesus, provide for me. Lord, you provide for me. Oh, Jesus, provide for me. Me no need to go back down bread, me daddy is the bread of life. And when him a feed me with bread, him give me multiple slice. Me no need to go buy them jackpot or lick them bone dice, cause I've already I want the ultimate price. Me no need to go ask for my inheritance like the prodigal son. Me daddy give it to me, stack up in a lump sum. He give me the sound code and even the pin number. You know, she say we are walking on divine favor. You are Jehovah Jireh, you are my provider. You are Jehovah Jireh, you are my provider. I say you are Jehovah Jireh, you are my provider. Lord, you provide for me. You provide for me. Lord, you provide for me. Oh, Jesus, provide for me. Oh, Lord, you provide. Jesus, you provide. Lord, you provide for me. Lord, you provide for me. The Father bless me with health and say go and go make well. Think over me head with a helmet and not a felt. Round the waist and give me the truth, so me use it as my belt. And all my blessing me freeze up the whole of them melt. All demons tremble when on my knees me knelt. And when the time get cold, ink over me up with a Kenting. Give me the inspiration for deal with the Great Depression. Just like we in give Roosevelt, yo. You are Jehovah Jireh, you are my provider. I say you are Jehovah Jireh, you are my provider. Yeah. And when you get up, stand up and wave your hand if you know say Jesus Christ is my your provider. And when you get up, stand up and wave your hand if you know say Jesus Christ is my your provider. And when you get up, stand up and wave your hand if you know say Jesus Christ is my your provider. Hey, hey, hey. And when you get up, stand up and wave your hand if you know say Jesus Christ is my your provider.